is Forrest. I'm the Colorado Vitality Lab Manager. Zirconia is a mineral. It's a pretty inert mineral. It's zirconium dioxide. There's a lot of different types of zirconia. So you can have zirconia that's harder, which is more ideal for posterior crowns, and then you have other types of zirconia that are more aesthetic, more translucent, used for anterior crowns. There's 3 different types of zirconia powder that we could use. There's 3Y, 4Y, and 5Y. The Y stands for yttria, which is one of the main compounds in zirconia. 4Y is structured really well for a wide variety of uses, whether that be anterior, posterior. I mean, we could do anything with this material because it has the strength and it has that vitality that we're looking for. There's white, yellow, gray, and pink. And we mix these colors into set ratios that give us our Vita classical shades, A1, A2, and so on and so forth. We have a proprietary recipe for each one of our shades. We put it into our V blender and it mixes for 80 minutes. And after that, we take it out and put it into the hoppers. We're pressing them at 150 tons of pressure, which it sustains for just a couple seconds, and it allows the binder to hold everything together at that maximum pressure so that when we go to put them in the furnace, all the binder will get cooked out and we'll achieve the density that we're looking for. Density is probably the most important parameter with our discs for many reasons. One of which is integrity during milling. There should be no chips, no imperfections. Once the discs come out of the press, we put them in these large furnaces to uphold the integrity of the milling. So when you're milling out a 4-unit bridge, you're not getting small fractures or chips on the margin. The density that we get with that temperature in the furnace is ideal for milling. Once they come out of the furnace, they go to the CNC mill and they all get cut down in size to the exact same thickness and diameter. And then after that, we calculate the density on them, which gives us the scaling factor as well. And then we can logo jet them and package them up. The benefit of us having our own zirconia is not only so we can distribute it out to other labs, we can also save money on costs to be able to fabricate it ourselves and not outsource for that product. We do research and development on every shade that we produce. Quality assurance is a big part of producing a good product in any manufacturing setting. Whenever we produce a batch of discs, we'll take one disc out of there and we're going to ship that to our other locations and have them mill on the exact same disc and see if they can replicate the same product. We're paying attention to not only the bigger picture of, scalability and distribution, but mastering the process internally first and making sure we're producing the highest quality product that we can.
For more information, visit vitalitydentalarts.com.